Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Porsche Taycan in Need for Speed Unbound. To get this amazing car, you'll need to focus on a few key in-game activities. We'll cover the main methods, from completing challenges to reaching specific progression milestones. Getting the Taycan requires dedication, but it's definitely achievable with the right strategy. Let's dive into the details of how you can add this powerful electric sports car to your garage. One primary way to unlock the Porsche Taycan is by completing various in-game challenges. These often involve winning a specific set of races or achieving certain performance targets, like maintaining a high speed for a set distance. Some challenges might also be tied to progressing through the game's story mode, where completing key chapters grants you access to new vehicles. Keep an eye on your challenge log for details. Another crucial method involves advancing your player level. As you participate in races and other events, you'll earn experience points that contribute to your overall driver level. Reaching specific levels often unlocks new cars for purchase or direct access. The Porsche Taycan might become available once you hit a certain progression milestone, so keep racing and earning those points to climb the ranks. Finally, you can often unlock the Porsche Taycan by purchasing it with in-game currency. As you win races and complete challenges, you'll earn cash. Save up enough of this currency, then head to the in-game dealership or garage menu. The Taycan will be listed there once it's available through other unlock methods. Always check for any special promotions that might make it easier to acquire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.